almost fell out. They're all able to get up right now. This one is too, see? Oh, kind of got help now. Oh, here comes the orange. Whoa, they made it go down. Here comes the red and green. Oh, that blue and red is always dead. That black and red runs dead a lot, but it goes really fast actually. At first it was slow, but it's starting to go really, really fast. That one's getting dead. The orbit purples are slow. There's two Hexbug Nanos that are never, ever really fast. It's the black and green and the purple orbit. Dead ones right now. It won't act dead now because it just got more of a charge while it was off. So will this one. They're gonna be all dead right away. If they start fighting, like cramming each other, they get turned off. I mean, not turned off. They start over here because there's going to be no cram fighting. I hate it when they fall over and they can't get up. It bothers me to put them back on their feet when they can do it themselves. Oh, the white and green fell out. A battery for them to eat. There's one in the closet. It's a glow in the dark one. Oh, I'm on this side of the habitat. I never get to be on this side. Oh, it's dead. Almost. It's still going fast. Hey, bird. Oh, hi. I fixed two of my Hexbug Nanos that were broken. It's dead. It's completely dead. Now the orange with blue. Sheila, look at the fixed ones. I colored them blue on the spine. So they're made up colors now. Oh, it's dead. That actually lasted a lot longer than the first time. That wasn't even 15 minutes and it wasn't even used. I'm gonna turn them back off, those dead ones, because they're dead. I already know that, because they were already they weren't going, they were completely dead, just like the orange. Yeah, but I still have 62 Hexbug Nanos, but I can't wait till I get to order more rares. So I just so can't wait. I mean, I love ordering rare things and having them come in the mail. It's so fun opening the packages. I mean, they'll come every day and stuff if you order so much. They're supposed to have red under them, not orange, but they have orange. Wait, where's the glow-in-the-dark blue mutation? I think it fell out. So I don't see it. Oh, it's dead now. That one was dead a lot too now. None of them really work anymore. Like, none of them will work. Try to make sure it isn't in these piles. That's the buzzing one. Whoa. Wait. You go over here since you fell out. Oh! I bet that they could be under the shelves. Owie. It's completely dead. The white and green. So it goes in the dead pile. The gravity white is completely dead. It was dead right here when the door was closed. They closed the door by themselves. Oh, here it is. The glow in the dark mutation. Down runs dead a lot. That's going to be dead soon then. I have to try and make them all get completely dead because I want to change them all at the same time. So that they're all so fast. They will be. But if my battery is in here today, but they'll still be ready to be changed when they do. But 500 looks like a lot, but it's not when you have 62, and especially an orange one that runs dead every 20 minutes or 30. Or any kind that runs dead like that. It's completely dead now. When I just... See? Time to turn them off. That one's not really dead. This is always slow. Really fast one. I bet the red and green is almost completely dead. I don't think it's completely dead when this one is. The black and greens last a long time, but they never go fast, except for that one. But every once in a while, somebody gets a fast one. The buzzing one. Well, it doesn't really buzz now anymore. That buzzes too when it's fast. Here they come up the spiral. Ah.